Welcome to this video. In this short video, we will review the key requirements and responsibilities of the personnel involved in drug manufacturing in the USA. Manufacturing drugs is a highly controlled process. It requires quality control at every step from initial selection of active pharmaceutical ingredients to final packaging and labeling. The Quality Control Unit is responsible for approving or rejecting all procedures or specifications that could affect identity, strength, quality and purity of the drugs. This is why all personnel involved in manufacturing should be qualified by education, training and experience or combination of these. The provided training to employees should be in line with the current Good Manufacturing Practices, cGMP. The training should be with sufficient frequency to make sure the employees are familiar with the latest requirements. The employees should have supervisors, and the manufacturing should be supported by an adequate number of workers. Any personnel involved in manufacturing, processing, packaging or holding of drug products should wear clean and appropriate clothing. There should be adequate protection for their head, face, shoulders and arms to prevent the drug products from contamination. Different building and facilities should have restricted access only to authorized personnel. Any employees who have shown sign of an illness or open lesions which could adversely affect the safety or quality of the product shall be excluded from these activities until they can return to work. The personnel should be instructed to report any such illnesses to their supervisors. Any external workers or consultants involved in the manufacturing should have sufficient education, training and experience to perform their tasks. The employers should maintain records for the external consultants. They should have information regarding the name, address, qualification and type of service that they provide. Thank you for watching. For more information, please feel free to contact us.